Also, I learned by Imam Sahib that Imam Mahdi alayhi salam has a room where I used to pray in Qadian. What is the significance of this room? And is it good to keep in our house a place where we pray alone? A special place and the same.
I can understand. Please.
Hadoshi said, I heard from Imam Sahib that the promised Messiah, about the Baitul Dua of the promised Messiah.
That's right.
He said, what is the significance of this room, and is it advisable for people to keep the similar kind of room in their houses?
Yes, I understand that. Please. First of all, when you yourself refer to a separate small room which Muslim Islam kept, especially for prayers, then the second question doesn't arise. If we did it, everybody can do it and should do it, if possibly one can. So he has laid the path clear, open to follow him. And we all in our family, I and my sisters, I know many others, they have a small room which is specifically reserved for praying away from the family noises and things.